everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into US Bank credit card account. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser to begin. In the search box that appears at the top of the screen, type in creditcard.usbank.com and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the main home page of US Bank. Go to the upper right hand corner and you should see the login area. Choose your account type from the drop down and enter your username in the next field. In order to get access to your credit card account, you'll need to log into your online banking account for your US Bank. So go ahead and enter your credentials correct. Once you type in your username correct, if you want the system to remember your username, click on this remember my username box and head over to the next field. But remember to leave this box unchecked if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device. Finally, after you're done, go ahead and type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on this little show link right next to the box, which will help you reveal your password. In case you've forgotten your username or your password and you don't know what to do next, click on Get Login Help beneath the login button and follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, after you're done typing in your information and you're ready to log in, click on the login button in blue, and that is how you'll be able to log into your credit card account on US Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with some more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.